Hi guys, so today we're gonna make a special chicken curry which is also called as Anglo Indian style chicken curry. So here we have washed 500 grams of chicken and that's curd and lemon. So we're just gonna marinate the chicken with curd. It's half a cup of curd, lemon juice which is about half lemon, half spoon of turmeric powder and half spoon of chili powder. So we are going to mix this well. So we have mixed it well. So let it marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. So while the chicken is marinating, let's prepare some masalas. So this is coconut, which is about quarter coconut, cut it into slices, and two medium-sized tomato. We're gonna put this into a jar and grind it well. So we've put the coconut in the jar and the tomatoes. Let's grind it. So we have ground the coconut and tomato. So this is how it looks. Next, let's prepare the other masalas. Let's get that ready. So we are putting a tablespoon of chicken masala and 1 spoon chili powder, 1 spoon jeera powder, 2 spoons of coriander powder, and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and finally 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Let's pour some water and mix it well. So it's mixed into a thick fine paste now. We have also sliced onions. That's about one big sized onion and 2 potatoes. It's been sliced and kept it ready with some curry leaves. So we are using the cooker to prepare this chicken. We are going to pour about 4 teaspoons of oil into it. Now the oil is hot, so we are going to add on the curry leaves and the sliced onions. The onions have fried well, so we are going to add on the masala and mix it well. The masala what we added now was the chili powder, coriander powder, jeera powder, ginger garlic paste and turmeric powder. I think I missed out the chicken masala. We also added on chicken masala to it. So we are adding on the potato now and mix it well. Next, we add on the marinated chicken, what we marinated for about 20 minutes now. Mix it well. So we have mixed it well and adding a spoon of rock salt. We can see the gravy boiling. So let's add on the coconut and tomato paste which we already grounded. So we are adding that on. Mix it well. let's add on a glass of water to it. I've just added a glass of water to it and mixed well. So let it cook for a while. I have added on some more water, and we're going to cover the lid now. So we've put the whistle as well. Let this cook. I would say rather give it about 3 to 4 whistles, and then let's check how our chicken curry is. So we have cooked the chicken for about 4 whistles. Let's open the lid and check how well our chicken has come. Oh wow, I get a very nice aroma. So you can see the chicken pieces, it looks like it's cooked very well. Yeah, the potatoes, yeah, it is really cooked well. So we're just serving this chicken curry with ghee rice, which we just made some time ago. And I would be uploading another video of the ghee rice recipe. You can watch that on my channel. And hope you'll really enjoy this chicken curry. And let me just show you the ghee rice with chicken curry, the combo. So there you go. Nice chicken curry and ghee rice. As I said, please do watch the video recipe of ghee rice. So this is the combination what we cooked today. Hope you'll really enjoy it. You take care. Bye bye.